The Battle of Stalingrad. Introduction. The Battle of Stalingrad was one of the bloodiest and most decisive confrontations of World War II. It wasn't only a military struggle, but also a symbol of resistance, courage, and sacrifice. The causes. Germany's invasions toward Stalingrad had a clear goal: seize the oil resource of the Caucasus and break the Soviet spirit by capturing the city that carried Stalin's name. The battle unfolds. For months, Stalingrad became a nightmare. Soldiers fought from house to house among ruins and fire. Then the freezing winter and Soviet resistance slowly surrounded and crushed the German army. Human and military consequence. More than 2 million people were killed or wounded. Stalingrad marked the first great defeat of Nazi Germany and became a symbol of human suffering and endurance. The winter and the turning point. As winter came, German troops were freezing and starving. Then, in November 1942, the Red Army launched Operation Uranus, a massive counterattack that encircled the entire German Sixth Army inside Stalingrad. Hitler refused to let them regret and seal their fate. The human cost. The human cost was beyond imagine of over 2 million soldiers and civilians died during the battle. Stalingrad was reduced to ashes, but its defense became a symbol of courage and unity against oppression. The historical impact. In reflection, Stalingrad changed the history. It proved that even the strongest empires can fall, and that courage and unity can overcome destruction. It reminds us of the terrible price humanity pays in the war. This is my reference APA style of the presentation. Thanks